Allison at HOPEFORTH. I'm a board-certified music therapist specializing in care for those with a terminal illness or for those who are grieving. Most recently, this last week, I had the opportunity of playing supportive music at the Lights of Remembrance event at Transitions Life Care. There I played music very similar to what I share with you at the beginning of the video to support people in their grief, wherever they may be. In grief, there are times where we are having our normal life, and then suddenly something will remind us of that loved one or friend. And we get sad, or maybe sometimes we even get angry. And then that feeling sort of gets lesser and lesser, and we return to our normal lives again. But the grief is still there, and it will still show up. Music therapy can be a very helpful opportunity for you to have support during your time of grief. And HOPEFORTH is very thankful for the opportunity to provide the service of music therapy. Thank you so much for watching today. Thank you for listening today. And please let me know if I can be of service to you. Thank you. Bye-bye.